Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today I'll take you to Ikea. It's so beautiful place to shop our home needs. Ikea, they have own branded items and you can shop through online also in Ikea. Here we can see interior designs practically, not only interior designs, outdoor garden setups and kitchen appliances, home decors and accessories, scented candles, lanterns. In Ikea, all collections are unique. Especially these crockery items are very beautiful. They have ready to assemble furnitures also. I came to buy a lantern and some scented candles. For selected items, there is an offers going on. These bamboo products are very pricey. Now here food item also available. Pickles, nuts, biscuits, some sweets, all available. Ikea is one of world's largest furniture station. I hope all you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share this video among your friends and family. Thanks for watching.